Coach Donovan Duckie is heading back to former Jamaica Premier League champions Waterhouse after leaving 8 years ago. Duckie will replace Javier Einstein, who resigned on Tuesday with immediate effect. Duckie, a former national youth coach, also cut short his stint at Chapelton Maroons last week with immediate effect. In 2017, Duckie, in his second stint with Waterhouse, took them from the relegation zone to the final in 2018 against Portmore United, where they lost on penalties.
First of all, let me say a special thanks to the chairman, Mr. Bruce Bicknell, and President Donovan White for entrusting me with this responsibility. Just to reflect a bit, the last time I was at Waterhouse, we achieved a lot. I have vivid memories of us being one penalty away from lifting the title, but nonetheless, we gained conquest of birth, and that was very important to the club's history. Now, there's a lot of good things that the team is doing. Kudos to the players for the just concluded season.
According to Duckie, he is not returning to the club to tear down or repair anything, but to build on the work done at the club so far.
A lot of work has been put in, and it's for me to deal with continuation, maintenance of what is good, and improve and also impose my philosophy on the players. It's also important to understand the philosophy of the club and what the objectives are. So we'll create a pathway together to achieve the desired outcome.